Hi everybody, look at this beautiful heart-shaped paper ring. Let's make it. So take up paper. We are taking a newspaper cutting here. We are going to start folding it like this. We are going to make a heart shape here. So cut it using a cutter and give it shape like this. And look, it's ready. We are going to make the ring by folding another piece of paper, paste all of them together, and it's ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful heart-shaped bracelet. So take a small cutting of square paper and start folding it like this. Here we are making a heart shape, fold it and tuck it inside like this, and then pull it downwards and again make a heart shape by folding it. And look, it is ready. We're going to make more such heart shapes and paste all of them together using a glue and give it a shape of bracelet. And look, it's ready. We are going to make this cash envelope, so let's get started. Take a printed craft paper, start folding it. We are going to fold it into half and make mini folds. Now tuck it inside like we are doing here. Again flip it and we are going to make a cut from the top, and then take another piece of paper. We are going to make a bow here, so fold it like this and again make folds and make a mini square at the center. Again fold it from its corners. Now open it and look, your bow is almost ready. Now make cut from all its four sides and again fold it, and we are making a bow here. Make a cut at the center and we are going to give it shape like this, and look, your bow is ready. Finally tuck it inside and paste it on the envelope, and look, it is ready. Let's make this mini paper drawer. You can put your jewelries inside. So let's get started. We are folding this pink craft paper from its diagonals. Again fold it into half. We are going to make the box here. Finally make the box by folding it from its sides, and the box is ready. Now take purple craft paper and start folding it. Again we are going to fold it. Here we are making the drawer like this. Make two such shapes and combine together. We are going to make the handle, paste all of them, and it's ready. Look at this heart-shaped bookmarks. Let's make it. So take a rectangular piece of paper and start folding it like this. Make small strip and then open it again. Then we are going to make the heart shape like this. Again open it and then we're going to press it like this. Look at the crease here and pull it downwards and make a heart shape like this. Then we are going to flip it and make the stick like this, and look, your heart-shaped paper bookmark is ready. I can put it inside your books. Thank you so much for watching this video.